The moment that we found out that I am pregnant,
how happy I am when I found out that I am pregnant.
Hello guys, my name is ARA and you're watching Buntis vlog. When you're pregnant, it's also more exciting to interact with other moms who are also expecting to give birth on the same month like you do. In this vlog, let's get to know the pregnancy journey of Ruth and Julie. Like me, they are also expecting to give birth in December. Ruth Ramos, a 30, a flight attendant, cannot contain her happiness and excitement to give birth to her first baby boy. She shares it remains a miracle to be able to conceive because of her previous medical condition.
I think proud is not the right word for me, but of course I am proud, but I am more grateful and happy and thankful that I am pregnant. Because actually when I was 17 years old, I was diagnosed with a polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS, and also later in life I was also found out to have endometriosis. So these medical conditions actually lessens the possibility of a woman to have a child. So you could just imagine how happy I am when I found out that I am pregnant.
Ruth takes care of her baby-to-be through reading books, eating healthy, and studying hypnobirthing. She badly craves for buko juice, she says. Unlike Ruth, Julie Manlitoc-Lagare is among the lucky pregos who has not experienced discomfort and is not even picky on what to eat. She is expecting her second baby boy. It was 5 years ago when she was pregnant to her firstborn, Justine Valor.
so what are the things that excite me most about being pregnant? First off is hearing your child's heartbeat for the first time. Of course, for a mother, there is no sound that is more amazing than your child's heartbeat, and hearing it for the first time makes it extra special. Number 2 is your baby bump. It brings a great sense of accomplishment for a woman, especially if you're a mother already, to know that a child, your very own child, is growing inside you.
She says she feels lucky like a queen when she's pregnant because of her husband's love and support.
The moment that we found out that I am pregnant, my husband started to do the laundry, to do most of the household chores. So it seems like I was just supervising him of all the tasks that we need to do in our house.
For Ruth and Julie, the journey to motherhood starts with pregnancy. It's the process of nurturing the love that is growing inside you.
Indeed, pregnancy can turn your life into a blur, but of course, there are a lot of milestones that makes it very special.
And for me, that means the world. As someone who has been praying for this, that for me, being pregnant alone, that happening alone in my life is already an overwhelming blessing and a gift.
December is a month of gifts, and this year, Ruth, Julie, and I will receive the best gift of all. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless, and to God be the glory.